Ek Omkar. Today we'll try to understand a little bit about heart diseases. What leads to a heart disease? To understand this, we need to first know clearly what the physical heart is. The physical heart, we all know, is an organ which is a two-way pump in the circulatory system. Now, the heart is what gives us the life flow because of the life-giving rhythm. And anybody who is suffering from a heart disease is somebody who's, we can say in deeper terms, whose rhythm in life is not balanced. Now, what do I mean when I say that? I mean, people who suffer from heart diseases are people who have some mental or emotional blocks. Yes, we are all psychosomatic beings, and hence whatever we go through is related to our emotions and our thoughts, and both are different. Emotions are different and thoughts are different. At an emotional level, let's try to understand what leads to a heart attack. Now, the heart is literally and virtually at the center of the body. And somebody who suffers any kind of a coronary heart disease or a heart disorder is somebody who's not centered in his being or who's not balanced in his or her being. Such people are normally looking at creating a balance within. These are perhaps people who are also looking at a certain validation outside and are lacking in love, are lacking in support, and they are people who want to take major decisions but feel incapable of taking them, or somewhere in some aspect feel a little helpless. And that's why the flow of life gets stopped somewhere in these people's lives. Now, somebody who has a heart trouble is also someone who is denying his own needs, because when a certain flow of energy stops within you, you further put barricades within your own mind at certain levels, which you do not understand, but which start creating problems slowly within us. Now, I would say the main message which is associated with any heart condition is that you need to be centered and love yourself, because the heart is all about love. Now, mental blocks related to heart basically mean that your body is trying to send a message that you need to change your own perception, that you need to start getting into the self-validation mode and stop looking for validation outside, that you need to fulfill your own being than keep filling others' lives with love, and stop seeking love outside. You need to somewhere get in touch with yourself slowly. That's the message for you. You need to start giving yourself compliments every day. You need to start feeling special. You need to tell yourself that you are a good human, that you are a simple being whose emotions and whose thoughts depend on others, but who needs to correct this and get back into your own being. A healthy heart is all about someone who can love himself or herself, who can come out of the feeling of being unaccepted, unloved, and somebody who can reach a level of equilibrium within oneself by being in the self. It's a little difficult, but once you start doing it, you will see that all your health conditions which are related to your heart will also start going away only when you start by accepting yourself and loving yourself. It's that simple, but you need to start today and you will see the changes. You will also see the changes in your heartbeats, and next time you go for a heart checkup, you will definitely receive some good news from your doctors. I promise you that. But start working on yourself, start removing your mental and emotional blocks, and you will no longer have any heart condition. Satnam.